What's up guys, you're watching The Sit Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about PlayStation 4 a remote play error, and here is how to fix the PS4 8801330D remote play error. And I'm just sharing my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings. Must go to the setting and then go to the network. Firstly, you just check the network DNS server. Sometimes the DNS is not working and you are not connecting with your PlayStation. DNS is low or our server is down. That's why you are not connecting with the remote play. And here we go to the remote play. DNS is working and you must connect with both devices with the same internet, and then go to the other devices and PS4, connect with the PS4 or a PS5 with device you have, and wait for the moment. And here your remote play is connected with the PlayStation 4. Here we are. Simply that's how you can connect your remote play and fix this error on your PlayStation 4. Here we go and disconnect it. So that's how that simply you can do it. And if you have to any other help and any other queries, you must watch my videos, and I hope so found my video helpful for you. See you soon for the next one.